In this video, I'm going to show you how to combine photos together on an iPhone. So first of all, in order to do so, we'll use an application called Shortcuts. It's pre-installed on any iPhone. So just go and look for Shortcuts, as you can see, and you should find it. So type Shortcuts and you should find it. That's its icon. Just go and click on that. You can click on the plus button at the top right. And in here, let me just go and first of all rename that and name it Combine. So now here we'll have to go and look for select, and we'll have to choose select photos. And here you can just go and click on the arrow on the lights on the right and click on select multiple. Now you'll have to click on search again, and all you need to do is just look for combined images, and here we are. So you can choose now how they can be combined. You can choose from horizontally to vertically and into a grid. So it's also up to you. For me, I'm just gonna keep it horizontally. Now all you need to do, just go to search again and look for save photo or save to photo. And here, that's kinda it. You can just now go and click on done, and it's kinda all right. Now you can just go and click on the shortcuts or hover on shortcuts and make sure to go and click on details. Now as an example, all you need to do, just go and click on add to home screen and simply click on add. And as you can see, it's added right now. If I go and click on it, I'll be able to combine multiple images. So I'm just going to combine these two images or the three, click on add right here. And as you can see, it will be saved again to my photos. If I go and check my photos right here, normally I'll be able to click on the last photo. And as you can see, it's combined for me 3 photos right here without any problem. So let me just go with that. And yeah, as you can see, it's 3 photos combined. Of course, I can change always, go back to the shortcuts option. And simply right here, I can just go and double click on that and you'll be able to click on edit. And if you don't want them to be combined horizontally, you can click on it and click on vertically or in a grid. It's totally up to you. So that should be it for me in this video. Thank you for watching and goodbye.